What they need to do is go back and fix the wrong that they did, give the birds back, and move on with their life.
An attorney says Oklahoma City is losing its wings in a case involving 15 exotic birds, and we're all paying for it.
A judge recently threw out the city's criminal case. Our Sylvia Corkill joined us live in the studio with a dispute that's dragged on for nearly a year now, Sylvia.
That's right, Kelly. Oklahoma City has held on to the birds for 10 months, and taxpayers will continue to shell out thousands of dollars to care for the animals until the case is settled in civil court.
What the city's doing right now is what they've always done, which is just delay, obscure the facts, do whatever they can to try to justify their actions.
Attorney Scott Adams says the city had no right to enter his client's home.
You can't take the bird.
Actually, sir, I can.
Much less seize his birds that he spent nearly 40 years caring for.
They just walked up to the door, they kicked it in, they went in and started seizing his property. That's without a judge ever authorizing a warrant.
He says while there's no doubt the birds that were living in a dark garage with no air circulation were in need of better care.
There's no doubt that at the time that the birds were taken that it was bad.
His client, Paul Fondren, is ready and willing to provide it if the city would just return them.
He's built over a $200,000 facility for them out in Jones with a big barn, and they have air conditioning and everything else.
He says in order to save face,
the city is not capable of admitting that they made a mistake.
The city is digging in their heels at the public's expense.
We're dealing with the city, and they play with money. They don't have to earn it.
He says unless someone with the city intervenes, the city will foot the bill for hundreds of thousands of dollars in attorney fees and animal care and boarding.
I wish someone in Oklahoma City would do the right thing and make this case go away.
Now, while the city is not willing to comment on this case, they did tell me they are spending around $1,000 a month to care and board the birds. Sylvia Corkill, Oklahoma's Own News 9.